Hello students, in today's class we will learn about one of the illustration under deduction under section 80 for computing total income. See the question, Mr. Khanna has made the following donation during the assessment year 2020-21, make it 2020-21. So they have given some information. First one, National Children's Fund, National Blood Transfusion Council, Kasturba Medical College, an approved charitable institution, repairs of notified church, help to poor student, books donated to approved college, Congress Party, municipality for family planning. His gross total income amounted to rupees 62 lakh, included in the this gross total income. This included long-term capital gain 2 lakh. During the year he paid rupees 18,000 as medical insurance premium. Compute the total income. So this question is asked for 2012 year question paper. So here they have given GTI and the long-term capital gain and the medical insurance premium, that is relating to 80D deduction, and some of the other deductions have been given. So with the help of that we have to compute the total income. So first one, National Children's Fund, this comes under without limit 100%. National Blood Transfusion Council without limit 100%. Kasturba Medical College, this one is with the limit 50%, with the limit 50%. Kasturba Medical College, government hospitals, and approved charitable institutions with the limit 50%. Repairs of notified church with the limit 50%. Help to poor student not eligible for deduction. Books donated to approved college, books donation in kind not eligible for deduction. This one you have to write note to those who are not eligible for deduction. Then Congress Party, this is a deduction given by Mr. Khanna to a political party. So this individual, if company donates to the political party, if company give donations to the political party, contribution by companies to political party deduction can be claimed under 80GGB. So this is a contribution given by any other person, means a person given other than company. So to political party the deduction can be claimed under section 80GGC. So this one deduction is can be claimed under 80GGC, 55,000. So with the help of this we have to compute the total income. So here we have to draw columns, 3 columns, since 80G deduction is there. So I'll just explain. I'm not solving the solution. First we have to write GTA, how much? 62 lakh. So GTA we have to write, draw 3 column. GTA firstly we have to write, so that is rupees 62 lakh. From GTA we have to deduct deduction under section 80, deduction under section 80. Under that we have deductions. Under that we have first deduction, that is deduction under section 80D, 80D deduction. Under 80D, that is relating to medical insurance premium. So here medical insurance premium, they have not given about age limit. So individual person's name is given, he paid. So 18,000 as medical insurance. So assuming maximum limit 18,000, he can claim 18,000 rupees. Maximum limit assuming as 25,000, he can claim 18,000 here. Next deduction here is given is in the order. If you take 80D, after that we have 80G. So under 80G, here we have to draw 3 columns. Under 80G, this is relating to donations. So under that we have to take without limit and with the without limit items one by one. After that we have to take with the limit. Then we have to compare with the 10% of ATI. 10% of ATI. So here ATI here means GTI minus we have long term capital gain 2 lakh minus deductions we have to deduct. So here one more deduction is there, 80GGC. So that is after in the end we have to take 80GGC for the political party. You just write later political party donations, but while calculating ATA you have to deduct. ATA means what? GTI minus long term capital gain minus, here we have deduction under section 80D, other than 80G one more deduction 80GGC. So this much we have to deduct while computing ATA. Next we will get 80G deductions. After that we have to add 80GGC deduction 55,000. So 55,000 plus 80G deduction plus 80D will get total. So the balance is known as total income. This one we have to calculate.